Hi, I'm Liam from Aquify Pools, and this is how to open and empty your skimmer basket. All you need to do is, one, take a first check to see if there's any unwanteds in there, creepy crawlies, so be careful. Put your hand into the skimmer basket, twist it to the left so that all of the catches align, and then simply just pull it out. Empty any debris that may have been caught by your skimmer basket. You can do this by hand or you can hose it out around the corner. Then making sure that all four parts align as we put it back in, and then twist it to the right so that it locks into position. We want to check your skimmer basket at least once or twice a week, just to make sure that it is free of debris so that it can keep continuous flow to your pool pump and keep it in good working order. Generally, if you open and check your skimmer basket and you can see the base of the basket, it doesn't really need to be emptied. If there's a lot of debris on the bottom, we want to get rid of that, purely because as time goes by, more debris will gather inside the skimmer, actually restrict water flow to the pump, and what can happen is the basket can blow out from the bottom, which will then allow all of this debris to get to the pump and cause some issues. That's how we open and empty our skimmer basket. Please remember to check it every couple of days, and even more so after heavy weather or storms.